Manifestation Magic V2.0 scheme is here to help these victims. The owner says that the product is designed to make this possible. Thus, any potential buyer may want to read this analysis to learn more about the Manifestation Magic program. All in the world deserves a happy and better off life. People like to keep their loved ones comfortable and worry-free. To do so, however, one must keep his or her mind and body safe. What is Manifestation Magic? Manifestation Magic is a collection of audio and e-book files that show people the energy orbiting process. For some users, it might, at first, be overwhelming. However, energy orbiting is a mechanism that causes frequencies in brainwave training to change negative perspectives. Although an individual might believe that the whole world is often distressed, Alexander says that the biggest problem is in their heads. The negative energy people do not need to concentrate upon is the focus of the subconscious. According to Alexander Wilson, energy orbiting combines hypnotic orientation with NLP power to allow a healing process. This mechanism shapes the brain to focus on the positive sides of apparently negative subjects. Instead, people can concentrate on the place which surrounds them and get rid of the negative thoughts. Manifestation Magic is essential for balancing the energy people get. Individuals' inner fears and internal challenges are handled by most of their beliefs. Manifestation Magic offers a realistic way to escape these challenges. It allows one to hit a theta state through the audio resources they won't know from. Users will shift from a pessimistic to a positive perspective if the manifestation is successful. Manifestation Magic features audio files that enable users to create positive energy in the frequency. Yeah. Users are not only going to get positive energy but infuse it into people around them. The writers of this product understand that humans are capturing those energies not through stereotypes but by interest conditions. It is this energy that pulls consumers apart and draws them to other things. The hypothesis is that all materials in the universe vibrate at a specific frequency, based on the substance's content and condition. How Manifestation Magic 2.0 works. There is no hard science required by a user. Furthermore, consumers add that this is among the easiest manifestation programs on the market. Typical lessons and no big books to read are not available. Thus, users must clearly conform to those energy contours that orbit audio tapes. One can take a look at how this orbiting energy mechanism works here. This Manifestation Magic model relies entirely on physics principles. The automated audio tapes of the program The Manifestation Magic help brain waves to move in less than 10 minutes from one state to another. The audio frequency directly reaches into the listener's subconscious mind, where it eliminates all unpleasant thinking and enhances its vibrational levels that help them manifest. The subconscious then replaces the old negative ideas in the unconscious state. It attempts to replace them with more positive ones. Lachlan discusses this and other bits about Alexander's product here. Lachlan adds that the best time to use this program's big module is when a person is getting to bed. When users lay in bed, listen to these sound tapes, and they are going to relax. This induces self-hypnotisms in the brain. Suppose the brain does not flow through any statement. In that case, auto-hypnosis works quickly, and audio tapes are correctly and quick to absorb signals in the form of hypnotic advice. You can easily access Manifestation Magic 2.0 by the link placed in the description below. Major components included in Manifestation Magic - Quick Start Manifestation Guide. The ebook teaches people more about how the Manifestation Magic model should be used and the right way to do so. Since there are so many audio files and ebooks in the Manifestation Guide, it can be challenging to comprehend all at once. A user can just look at this fast beginning guide instead and skip to his favorite segment. The person will just have to finish this one in 15 minutes, and he or she will understand what this meat is. So, users have to spend about 30 minutes reading it absolutely if they really want to appreciate the curriculum as a whole. If they are new to the rule of attraction, it will benefit them a lot. The text is accessible for all requests in Kindle, PDF, and e-book format. So, any gadget users hold can read it. This separates it from traditional books and guides that people might still neglect to bring with them. Daytime Wealth Activator. Some people accumulate a lot of money and increase their firms. In contrast, others have the same capital and experience over the years. One explanation by Jenny is that some people attract more money than others. They attract thoughts and attract the energies they disseminate. As with the owner, this direction will encourage the mind to be agile, opening up a world of opportunities. If one wants to stretch his wings, his world should not be limited. A person doesn't need a cage to try his or her wings. An individual can then begin to see money in his life as something good. Such a guy can make smarter decisions by reprogramming. Often, users start to be more appreciative of the money they earn, and suddenly they'll start to appreciate it. Thus, to thank the Almighty and honor what one has received, a person opens himself to a world of opportunities. Twilight Transformation Energy Orbiting Track. After hearing the introductory manuals, Jenny notes that this will be everyone's priority. The highlight of the device is undoubtedly this one. This helps bring the brain into the mechanism, which prevents insecurities and worries through brainwave technology. It's even better than a few vodka shots, which provide no permanent solution. Users won't be excessively nervous and overwhelming in such a state. They're not even going to know that the system was cleaned out. Consumers can quickly create improvements, and they can begin to take a lot less care. Their imagination would then continue to manifest things that they wish to do in their life. To achieve this degree, it can take years of preparation. Nonetheless, the creator says that the manifestation magic makes it much easier and more available. The Push Play Audio app. Very few people really want to have their laptops always. Maybe one just wants the system to satisfy any urgent workplace specifications in their space or watch a new television series. However, whenever one drives, they cannot transfer all the audio files to their mobile devices. In such a case, the audio app comes in really handy. The Push Play Manifestation Magic model helps users to listen to audio files on whatever computer they choose. So, there is still the application Manifestation Magic, along with all of its advantages. Users can also order the app to play music as they like. People need a shot of optimistic vibes and knowledge now and then. From what other users say, the app delivers everything in the morning, in the evenings, and so on. Benefits of Manifestation Magic 2.0. It is easy to access. Because the Manifestation Magic model is digitally accessible, it is effortless to use. Furthermore, users can enjoy easy access when installing it. Alexander notes that the customer does not go through long messages to see what to do. They need to do is switch the audio tracks, and it's that. Manifestation Magic is more competent. It is more powerful than any available services on the market. Some manifestation systems eliminate only negative emotions from the surface. Still, this program is more successful at the subconscious stage of the mind. Buyers can have more than worth it. What users pay for is the service, and what they get are free goods. The price paid is therefore slightly smaller than the overall sum. The goods are free, but the gross fee charged is considerably less than the products purchased. The products are free of charge. It works like the Corona Relief Pack. The program's biggest highlight is the Corona Rescue Kit. It offers valuable knowledge to keep people safe in the COVID-19 spread. Users confirm that the product is genuine. The advantages of the goods are not highlighted incorrectly. It is official and effective, as seen from reviews of the users on both its official and other social networks. Visit Manifestation Magic official site. Safety and reliability of Manifestation Magic. The positive response from its clients on its website indicates it is genuine. Besides, Dina notes that a higher public demand version has been revised recently. It wouldn't have existed if it were a fraud. As per Alexander, his formulation is perfect for people with a lot of late social media negativity, hoping to refocus their attention on the good stuff. It doesn't mean users should keep an eye on corruption, but they should be optimistic and accurate in mind. People with trouble finding inspiration, and gaining more money, wishing to find a way to invest their empire. It would draw decent people, but some people say that this list will still have many fraudulent people. Alexander says that Manifestation Magic is not ideal for the groups listed below. People who feel satisfied or no additional support is needed. Such people see the universe as heaven. Narcissists who just care for themselves do not pick those unfamiliar formulations. The files are designed to diffuse constructive feelings. Disadvantages of Manifestation Magic 2.0. It only available in digital form as there's no physical copy available. It only available in digital format. Manifestation Magic V2.0 is meant for those who wish to change their lives regardless of their ages truly. One may develop a new self to provide stronger spiritual or physical health ties. What one needs to do is obey and trust in the process. Furthermore, people who use this model exchange happy words that demonstrate their faith in Manifestation Magic. Any reader can press the buy button, and they can do that. Also, access is now. The link is placed in the description below. Check it now. Thanks for watching it.